this video tutorial I will explain binary search method of arrays class which accept character array, from index, to index and the key. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined the character array. It has 5 characters. Then I am calling sort method of arrays class and passing character array. From index is 0, which is this position, and from index is inclusive, and to index is 4, which is this position, and to index is exclusive. So what this sort method will do is it sort the character array in this range. After sorting, I am displaying the character array content. Here I have defined the key as C. Then I am calling binary search method of arrays class and passing character array, and from index is 0, which is this position, from index is inclusive, and to index is 4, which is this position, and to index is exclusive, and passing key is C. So what this binary search method will do is it searches the key C in the character array in this range and returns the index position of the C. If you see, index position of C is 1. So this method returns index as 1. Before calling a binary search method, the range of character array should be sorted. Else we will get undefined result. That is the reason before calling this binary search method, the range of character array is sorted using sort method of arrays class. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.